Guys, welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be a very cute video because it's going to be of me roasting myself and then me praising myself. So you guys know a lot of artists do tutorial videos to help younger artists, y'all youngins, I say, to help get better at drawing or just give helpful tips and tricks to do things a lot more easier than they seem. So I did a little bit of them back in the day, and every time I watch my old videos, I kind of cringe out because I'm like, oh my gosh, why did I say this? Why did I say that? Because I'm just like, Narelle, you don't know what you're talking about at 12. Like, come on now. Tutorial video should not have been in your lane, hunty. But luckily, this one was legit 4 years ago, so it's not as old. But still, I watched it twice, and I'm like, what are you talking about, Nyrel? So we're going to rewatch points of that together, and then I will do a speed paint of the newest one, because I redrew the drawing legit as I was watching it, and I'm like, you know what? Maybe some of those tips were not too bad. I just had to tune a little bit of things, and I made the drawing a little bit more better than the one I did. So let's just get into the reaction part of this video because I don't want this video to be too terribly long. Alrighty guys, so much for a reaction part of this video. I recorded it and Bandicam, which is what I use to record my face and my computer screen, it was lagging both of us so bad that I'm just like, it's no point in editing this because I don't want you guys to sit through it. So instead of me commentating over this whole video, I'm just going to let you guys look at the old version because I do not own this anymore. My friend Dominica owns it. I actually really still like the original drawing. It's nothing too cringeworthy. I might always say this, guys, as much as you think your old art is cringeworthy, it was you at the time. This is how you like to draw, so you should just cherish it and be like, oh, this is the style that I enjoyed drawing in, and it's different now. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so here is the newer version. Let me do this so you guys can see it a little bit more clearly. So yeah, this is still a sketch, so I still have to fix a little bit of things, but this is the newer version compared to that one. So that's the older one, and this is the newer one. So you can kind of see where changes were made. I'm not going to do this little hair here. It just kind of looks weird, so I'm going to erase it. And the new Halloween goodies and the new freshies, so I'm so happy that I got some UV stuff in mail as well as some DTF stuff. So I'm going to show you guys that in this video as well. I'll show you actually like some of the ones that I got. These are SVG designs that I got. Okay, so I decided to bring that to the shop, and we also have to get this on the screen, guys. So I've kind of taken a little bit of a break just because I've been taking things slow since I've been in this break. He's such a cute little Ivy character. One thing I don't like about coloring some drawings at night is because the yellow, which is cream, if you guys are wondering, sometimes yellow is very hard to see at night, and yellow always hurts my eyes at night. So that's the reason why I like coloring in the morning, because it doesn't affect my eyesight. Here is the status of Nalia's face. I decided to put the brown down first just to kind of establish the shading, which isn't bad. It looks a little bit worse on camera, but I promise you, it looks better in real life. But I am gonna add some of this red in there to add some color into his face. Alrighty guys, I skipped around a little bit, so now I'm going into the drawing with the line art. As you can tell, I'm adding Nalia's face lines, and now I'm going in with the hairline, because everything just kind of looks jumbled together, which is fine, but I just want to add some definition to some lines in which I want to keep. I just got the outlines, and I got his shirt left, and I got the background, so I don't have much left to go. But for right now, it looks like this. Hopefully you guys like this style of video. Again, if you like more of me talking through, let me know. But other than that, I'm almost done with this. Alrighty guys, so I'm using this pen which is a Papermate flare pen, to do the background. I'm keeping the background very simple. It's different from the original, but you know, we all deviate sometimes. But he's looking so cute. Alrighty, guys, I think this is a wrap for Nalia's new drawing. Looky, looky, looky. I just gotta sign it. I don't sign my art anymore. Hope I can get this on camera. And then I'll put 23. Signalizing it was done in 2023. And when this is dry, it pops up a little bit more, so you'll see it a little bit more effectively. So I need to get rid of the washi tape. I actually had to tape it down with 2 washi tapes because the thin one was not holding. So I had to use an actual washi tape that I don't use anymore to get this to stay down. So I ruined the surprise. But it's okay. It's just sometimes you have to use 2 different tapes. There we go. So now we can do the reveal. I had a lot of fun though with this drawing. I hardly admit things when I do have fun, but I had a lot of fun with this, and I hope you guys like the way I filmed this video. Again, it's not too speed paint like, but it's a video in which I enjoyed recording. So hopefully you guys like this video. It's just a simple drawing or redrawing of a drawing that I actually thought was pretty cute. If I do see anything that needs some more touch-ups, I will touch it up, but off camera. But for right now, this is it. So I hope you guys like how Nalia turned out. I hope you like all the changes I made and just how my style grew in general. And like I said, now you can see my signature a little bit better. If my phone would focus, there we go. You can see it a little bit better because the Sakura Moonlight gel pens, they go on dark but they dry light, so you can see it a little bit better. But yeah, so that is it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.